This is breakfast for today, guys. So I decided to try soaking the muesli overnight with soy milk, and let's see kung anong lasa niya. Ito na yung itsura niya. So I have a meeting at 1 p.m. So this is my simple outfit for today. I actually forget na kung saan ko nakuha tong top na to, pero I'll put it in the information box. Uniqlo pants, which are perfect for mga meeting kasi sobrang perfect lang niya. And then shoes from Zara. Ang cute ng hilo. It's gold. It's so pretty. Oh, and I have a tattoo. Stick-on tattoo yan from Tattoo Mundo. It's a fox, guys. Love it. I posted this on my Instagram stories today. I love it. It's so pretty. So I'm done with the meeting, guys. Now I'm here at Ponte Rialto. So yung venue kasi ng event or ng meeting, super near lang here. I actually got a Grab na, pero kinancel ko. Ang tagal ko naghintay. Nakakaloka. And it's not worth it kasi it's Friday. And if ever abutan ako ng super late na, girl, stuck na ako sa traffic. So this is really near my house, kaya mas okay na here. And they don't have burrata, but they have caprese. Caprese ba yun? I think so far the best, hindi pa the best. Pero yung natry ko na okay na burrata is Providor. Yung sa The Wholesome Table kasi medyo fail ng konti. I don't know, hindi ko lang siya like masyado. So I'm gonna try their caprese here at Ponte Rialto. And then again, this at Venice Grand Canal Mall. So ang katabi ko is yung tubig. Bongga! Very nice talaga yung ambience dito. Although yan yung bridge na yan, sinasabi nila yung Jeje Bridge kasi ang dami nagpipicture. Although you can't really blame them kasi maganda naman talaga here. So hayaan na lang natin, okay lang yan. And then you can actually ride a gondola. Gondola ba tawag dyan? Ang linis ng water. Makes you wanna jump in. Let's see what I can... Karne. The meeting actually went well. Super duper well. I'm so excited kasi sobrang perfect for the Bali trip. So I'm really excited for that. Pwede ba ako magsabi? I think pwede. It's for Canon. Yay! I opted to sit outside kasi ang ganda ng ambience and hindi naman ganun kainit. So sa loob kasi parang gloomy. Perfect for paggabi na, I think. You hear the music? I love it. Here is the caprese, guys. So caprese. Tapos we have bread. And then I also ordered affogato. We have a shot of espresso. I also ordered cream of mushroom. Yum! Okay, kain na tayo. Finally back home and I am working. I've been taking photos the past couple of hours. Look at this. Grabe. Hindi pa umuulan pero ang ganda ng sunset. Wow. Look at that. Then next on my list is filming video. So mamaya abangan niyo yung Bali haul video. I didn't realize that 10 days na lang pala we're gonna be flying back to Bali. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Tapos na ako mag-film, guys, ng lahat ng mga kailangan ko i-film for today. Oh my gosh, may naalala ko. Okay, may isa akong hindi nagawa, pero bukas na lang siya. I'm super tired and super hungry. But I'm super enjoying all the tattoos from Tattoo Mundo. I love it. I see super duper love ko talaga, girl. Nakakaloka. I've put a bunch na on my body. Pero, nagtatabi ako kasi sa Bali ko talaga dapat susuotin yung mga yan. Pero, nag-try din ako. And I love it. I posted a bunch of one photo on Instagram. And, ang nice na sa Tattoo Mundo is that they work with artists. And then, they feature their work. So, this particular one was made by Carla Ko Chua. Tama ba? Carla Ko Chua. It's super beautiful. And then, ang dami pa nilang designs available. So, if ever you want temporary tattoos na sobrang bongga, I'll have the link of Tattoo Mundo in the information box. Nag-aayos lang ako kasi start na naman kumalat lahat. Okay, so these are jewelry pieces that I hauled for today from Jan. I need to pass this to Ain kasi gagawa rin siya ng video. Oh, and I'm having wine. Friday night. We stay in Friday night. Tapos ko na rin pala i-film ang aking Bali haul. Finally. And nakalat yung mga shoes kasi umupo ako dito, girl. Also, I have chicken in the turbo broiler dinner natin. Check natin. Oh my gosh! bakit sunog, pero perfect na. I need to edit videos na guys. So that's it for the vlog today. I hope you enjoyed watching. Sobrang daming exciting things coming up, especially for the Bali trip. So I'm so excited. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye! Welcome back to another vlog guys. So I'm heading out right now to get some burrata from Providor. And then mag-grocery shopping tayo. I was supposed to order everything online na lang. Pero sabi ko, I wanna go out. So let's go. First stop at the mall is of course Providor. I had to get my burrata fix for today. So I got the burrata and so far Providor pa lang yung natatry ko na super legit burrata. Like yung naka-ball talaga siya. Although I don't think it's super duper fresh kasi yung loob hindi na siya ganun ka runny. As compared to what I've been seeing online. Pero okay pa din. I love the taste. And I super love it with sourdough bread. Tapos, nag-order din ako ng carbonara. Super nice kasi meron silang egg yolk sa gitna. And then when you crack that open, super duper creamy. And I love it. Pero I really think that my addiction to burrata and pasta will die down anytime soon. Kasi after ko kumain kanina, parang sabi ko, okay, I'm done. Hindi na ako kakain ng pasta or something like that. Kasi usually, 2 weeks talaga ako na-addict sa mga pagkain na gusto ko talaga. And then, I also ordered some tea. So, itong tea na to, medyo weird yung lasa niya. Mango something siya. Pero okay din naman. Pero, not really my cup of tea. After going to Providor, I went straight to Healthy Options. Kasi yun talaga yung pinunta ko sa SM Aura. Healthy Options and the supermarket. So, I'm gonna show you guys kung ano yung mga pinili ko. Got myself. Okay, so I saw a comment on my channel na hindi daw okay soy milk. So I got almond tea instead. Bakit ba ako tea ng tea? Almond milk instead. From Healthy Options. And then I also got myself, since I'm running out na soon, another pack of muesli. Pero ibang brand yung tinry ko. Bob's Red Mill. Ayan. Muesli. And then sa supermarket, I got my favorite Shin Ramyun spicy noodles, and then I also have here Yoplait mango yogurt to go with the muesli kasi sabi niya diba okay siya with muesli, sabi ng ibang tao. And then of course my favorite, oh my gosh, nata de coco. If you know me as a person, you'd know how much I love nata de coco guys. It's life, as in super duper. I had a little incident with the laser hair removal for today. So as you can see, may cream yan and tinanggal ko yung tattoo ko. Diyan ko kasi nilagay yung fox tattoo ko from Tattoo Mundo. And then hindi ko na-realize na when it comes into contact with laser, masusunog siya. Hindi ko na-realize, hindi ko naisip yun, hindi na sa isip ko. So what happened is that natuklap yung balat. Buti na lang tinanggal agad ni ate. Pero grabe, ang sakit niya, ang hapdi niya ngayon. So I really hope it heals soon. I have some antibacterial cream, which I'll be putting there mamaya. Kasi girl, mahapdi siya. It's actually been a while since my last session with Skin Station. Pero I'm glad I'm back. So, ang ginawa ko is the underarm laser hair removal plus the full legs laser hair removal. Next session will be in 6 weeks pa since nasa na ako, 6th session. Yun. So, konting-konti na lang. As in, actually, wala lang ang hair. Konting na lang talaga. Heading back to Bali in 9 days! Palapit na ng palapit. I also brainstormed kanina kung ano yung mga videos na kailangan kong gawin for you guys. Since this is not gonna be a leisure trip, it's gonna be a work trip. So I'm gonna be working on a lot of videos. I'm targeting 20 for this trip. That's just me. Ganun ako mag-target talaga ng mga videos, lalo na kapag out of town trips or out of country trips siya. Yun, target is 20 videos. I'm gonna prepare dinner na. I'm gonna have the Shin Ramyun. I also have a new Ask C video coming up very soon. And you know, whenever I love making Ask C videos kasi you guys sent me so much questions. And I feel na, hindi ko alam, gusto ko silang sagutin. It's Sunday today guys, so hindi na ako naka-end ng vlog kahapon. Kasi nag-edit ako ng videos. I have a bunch of videos up on my channel. This is my look for today. My favorite dress from Cotton On. It's just very flowy, kaya I love it. And then, ito pala yung nasunog sa paa ko, girl. Ayan, oh my gosh. I had to put on some antibacterial cream kasi ayoko ma-infect siya. Kahit super liit lang niya, ang sakit kasi. Nakakalaka. Anyway, shoes from Zara. And then bag from Muy Bien Bonita. Oh. And sunnies from Sunnies. Ito yung 80s style ba yung sinasabi nila, yung mga maliliit. It looks cute. Alam niyo, sobrang grabe na gabi. So, I slept at around 7 a.m. na kasi I watched this film on Netflix na sinabi ng kapatid ko maganda daw. It's Us and Them. I've never cried so much in my life. I mean, I cried before ng bongga, pero grabe tong film na to if you watch it. And if you can relate to it, grabe. Sobrang iyak ako ng bongga. Ang sakit sa puso, sobrang tagos sa puso. And yun, ang sakit. Ang masakit sa heart, nakakaloka. We're here sa Bench Cafe. Ano to sa ulit? Yung B1. Lechon kawali? Lechon lempo? Pinasal ng lempo. What's that? Talong? Yum. Adobo? Okay. Bihon.
Akin toyo mansi chicken.
Mama.
Easy.
Yeah. Ano sa easy?
Kosilo.
Super sarap na in-order ni Gigi. Ano yan dito ulit? Kosilo. Masarap. Hindi kay mama masarap din. Akin masarap din naman. Yung sa'yo ano, maalat sobra yung rice. Bagoong rice. Ito yung tosilog nila. Yung foam daw na yan is vinegar. Bongga.
Hindi ko mas mag-usap yan.
Halo.
Oo, yung ano, pag inano mo na, magiging violet.
We're here at Arabica Coffee. Sabi ni Lizzy ko sa'yo ay, ano daw Lizzy? Spanish latte. Spanish latte with, ano daw, with condensed milk.
Ano sa'yo, salty?
Ma! Uulan na rin. Ma!
Ay.
At may nalaman kaming chismis na nakakaloka. Chismis, oh my gosh. Taking pics with mom. Pakita mo yung unang copy na. There.
Before and after.
And there's a kitty doggy baby. Kakatapos ko lang mag-film, guys. So, I did 2 videos for today. I'm exhausted. I'm hungry. So, now, I am gonna go eat. Gabi na naman ako natutulog. So, ang ginawa kong video for today, very exciting. One is the types of bras that I wear. Number 2 is a new series that I'll be doing sa channel ko. It's all about talking about YouTubers in the Philippines. So, thank you guys so much to everyone na nagpadala ng mga questions nila. Kasi without your guys' utak, hindi rin ako makagawa ng video kasi wala tayong ano, diba? So, thank you so much for that. Yun. Anyway, that is it for the vlog for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. And I hope you don't mind yung mga merging ng mga vlogs ko kasi I compensate naman by uploading other videos. So, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye!